Well, we saw that video of that very brave young girl, Bibi Muskan Khan. She in fact joins us now from Mandya. Bibi, thank you very much for speaking to us. You were alone over there in this video. Were you not worried when you chose to confront these bullies around you?
Yes, sir.
Were you a little worried, Muskan, when you were surrounded by all of these boys, all of these men with these scarves?
Sir, I was not worried. Actually, what happened is I was just want to submit the assignment. That's why I entered the college and they were not allowing me to go inside just because I was carrying the burqa.
Yeah.
So they were not allowing me. Somehow I came inside. After that, they start shouting and start giving the slogan as Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Then I started to scream as Allahu Akbar.
And Muskan, have you seen any of these boys before? Are they part of the same institution?
Sir, I didn't got lot of...
Can you hear me now?
Sir, yes, you are audible to me.
Okay. No, I'm just trying to ask you, have you seen any of the men before or are they outsiders?
Somehow some members were from outsiders and also from 10% from college, but all were the outsiders. Our principal and all the lecturers have supported me. And supported me and protected me.
And so, Muskan, what we see that at one stage, you go into the college. Is that when the principal and teachers perhaps protected you to ensure that nobody hurt you?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Principals, everyone has protected me so that no one hurts me just because all young stars were crowded me and start giving the slogans as Jai Shri Ram and something blackmails like this. So all the principals, lecturers have supported me.
Muskan, have you always worn a burqa or a hijab in this college?
Yes, sir, all time, like from when I'm studying, all time I used to carry the burqa, hijab, but when I used to go for the class, I removed the burqa and I just carried the hijab.
So therefore the hijab is part of the uniform or it has always been allowed?
Yes, sir, it was just part of us. Actually, principal has nothing, he has said nothing. These outsiders have started this.
So let me understand this. Wearing a burqa, you used to go to college and you used to remove the burqa, just wear the hijab, and you used to go to class and nobody said anything or there was never any issue of this in the past?
No, sir. Actually, from yesterday it has started. So yesterday, principal, like this itself has been created. So principal has just guided us not to carry they are very anger mood. So it's better you do not carry this like this. He has just guided us. Today he has protected me, like all my lectures, principals have been protected me. That everyone were from outsiders and just 10% were from my college.
If you are not allowed to continue wearing a hijab, will you be able to continue your education in the same place or will you continue your protests? Or?
No, we will continue, we will wear hijab because it's a part of being a Muslim girl.
Right. So you will continue to protest if you're not allowed. That's my question.
Yes.
Have you, Muskan, received support from people across religions, your Hindu friends? I don't know, friends of other communities?
Everyone were in the class. So these boys were standing. I just guess they were from outsiders. So our principal and lecturers has supported us.
What about friends in college? Are there others?
Before me, 5 friends has been come, like Muslim girls. So they were crying because same thing has happened with them.
What happened to them?
They were not allowing inside. So they said, you remove burqa or else go for your home. You are not allowed to enter this college.
Muskan, I'm just trying to understand, your Hindu friends, for example, did they oppose what is happening around you? Did they say that these are bullies trying to be aggressive with you?
Yes, sir, they even supported us. They said it's your religion, it's our religion. You do follow, even we do follow. This all are from outsiders.
And are you worried? I mean, you must be feeling a bit unsafe now, or do you not feel unsafe?
No, sir, I am feeling safe itself because every from morning till now, every police, everyone are coming and telling that we are with you. Don't worry, like this.
And Muskan, one or two final questions. Your priority is your education. Do you believe that ultimately that is what is being denied?
Yes, sir. Our priority is our education. They are just for a piece of cloth. They are ruining our education, sir.
And just as a matter of curiosity, what are you studying, Muskan?
Sir, I am BCom from second year, sir. BCom.
You're a BCom second year student.
BCom,
Well,
yes.
good luck with your studies, and hopefully this madness all around you will come to an end and you can focus on your education, because that's frankly what this is, where it should all be. And thank you for
Thank you,
having the
sir.
courage to speak
Thank
out.
you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Muskan.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.